Ladies and gentlemen, Veg Ramen Noodles just for you. We'll begin by boiling the noodles. I've already boiled the noodles as per the instructions on the packet. And then I'm adding oil to this so that it doesn't stick. Prefer sesame oil. It has an amazing aroma. We'll keep this aside and prepare the next thing. Sauces. Here I'm going to gather a small cup or a saucer like this. To this we'll add all the sauces and keep them ready with us. We'll begin by pouring in 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Use the best brand available. I love this one. You can use any brand that you love. Now goes in 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, or as you may call it, tomato sauce. Here it is. Follows 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of the final most important sauce, the dark soy sauce. I love this sauce. When it goes into my ramen noodles, I love it. Our sauces are ready. Let's keep these things aside and gather a wok. To the wok at a high flame, add 1 ladle of vegetable oil. Then add onions that have been finely sliced. Cook them, don't caramelize them completely. Keep them half raw. Once they're done half, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, followed by finely chopped mushrooms, beans with juliennes, and finely chopped juliennated carrots. Such a lovely, amazing recipe even to look at. Cook this at a very high flame and then keep tossing it while the vegetables are half cooked. When these are half done, we'll add capsicum because that takes less time to cook. It's added in the end. Amazing. Cook this half. Now sprinkle 1 spoon of red chili flakes and 1 spoon of salt. Remember friends, I added salt at the end, not in the beginning, because it releases moisture from the vegetables. We want to keep them crunchy and not soggy. Yes, always add salt at the end. Finally come in those boiled noodles that we had tossed with sesame oil. Remember? Oh, amazing. And now comes in the sauce. Delicious aroma already in the air. Now toss it well with 1 ladle if you're an expert, with 2 ladles if you're not comfortable with 1 ladle. But remember one point: when you're boiling the noodles, always add the noodles only when the water is warm, and always remember to add salt also to the boiling noodle. Enjoy the ramen noodles.